Most people get digital wallets in Turkey completely wrong, and that mistake ends up costing them real money in hidden fees, poor exchange rates, and limited payment options. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not all wallets in Turkey are built the same, and choosing the wrong one can make everyday payments harder instead of easier. Quick promise. In this video you are going to discover the 10 best digital wallets in Turkey for 2026. You will learn which apps save you the most money, which ones give you real cashback rewards, and which ones help you avoid unnecessary fees when sending money, paying bills, or shopping online. By the end, you will know exactly which wallet fits your lifestyle, whether you are a local user, an expat, or just visiting Turkey. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most people think a digital wallet is just an app to pay with your phone. But in Turkey, digital wallets are deeply connected to banking systems, QR payments, national instant transfer systems like Fast, and even transport and shopping ecosystems. So picking the right one is not just convenience, it directly impacts how much money you keep. Let's start simple so you are not confused later. A digital wallet in Turkey is usually an app that lets you store money, send transfers using IBAN or phone number, pay with QR codes in stores, and sometimes even get a virtual or physical card. Some are independent fintech apps, and others are built inside major banks or telecom companies. But here's the problem. Not all wallets are accepted everywhere, and not all of them give you rewards. So we are going to break everything down step by step so you can choose confidently. Now let's go into the first category that changed everything in Turkey's payment system. The Fast system. This is Turkey's instant money transfer network operated by the central bank. It allows money to move instantly between banks using phone numbers or IBAN. Almost every major wallet connects to it. And this is why modern digital wallets in Turkey feel so fast and seamless. But here's where most people fail. They pick wallets without checking three things: acceptance rate, fees, and cashback or reward systems. That is exactly what we are going to fix today. Now let's go into the first and one of the most popular digital wallets in Turkey. Number 1 is Papara. Papara is one of the most widely used fintech wallets in Turkey. It is extremely popular among young users, freelancers, and online shoppers. The biggest strength of Papara is how easy it is to open an account and start using it within minutes. Imagine someone like Alex, a student living in Istanbul. He signs up for Papara, verifies his identity, and instantly gets a virtual card. Within minutes, he can shop online, pay bills, or send money to friends. But here's the interesting part. Papara often offers cashback campaigns and discounts at selected merchants. So, instead of just spending money, you sometimes get a small percentage back. Now here's the catch. While Papara is powerful, some advanced banking features are limited compared to traditional banks. But for everyday spending, it is one of the most flexible wallets in Turkey. Now let's move to number 2, and this one is tied directly to one of Turkey's biggest telecom companies. Paysel. Paysel is developed by Turkcell, one of Turkey's largest mobile operators. This means it is deeply integrated into mobile billing, telecom services, and digital payments. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Paysel is not just a wallet. It is a full financial ecosystem. You can pay phone bills, shop online, and even access installment payment options in some cases. Picture Jake, a freelancer in Ankara. He uses Paysel to manage both his phone bill and his daily spending. The convenience comes from everything being in one app. But here's the problem. Paysel is sometimes more useful if you are already a Turkcell user. If you are not, you may not unlock its full benefits. Still, for telecom integrated payments, Paysel is one of the strongest options. Now let's move to number 3, and this one is especially popular for cashback lovers. Tosla. Tosla is a digital wallet developed by Akbank, one of Turkey's major banks. Tosla is designed to feel modern, simple, and reward-focused. Now here's what makes Tosla stand out. It frequently offers cashback campaigns for food delivery, gaming, and online shopping. For younger users, this is a big advantage. Let's say John is living in Izmir and orders food online often. With Tosla, he can get small cashback rewards every week. Over time, that adds up. But here's where most people fail. They ignore campaign-based wallets and stick only to traditional banking apps. That means they miss out on consistent savings. Tosla is perfect for users who want simple design plus regular rewards. Now let's move to number 4, which is one of the most important prepaid wallet systems in Turkey. Inanol. Inanol is extremely popular for prepaid card users. It is often used by people who do not want a full bank account but still want digital payment access. Here's how it works. You load money into your Inanol account, then use it online or in stores using a prepaid card or virtual card. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inanol is widely used in gaming, online subscriptions, and e-commerce. Many people use it for safe online spending because it limits exposure to bank accounts. For example, Alex wants to control his spending on gaming. He loads a fixed amount into Inanol, and once it is finished, he cannot overspend. But the limitation is obvious. It is not designed for advanced banking or investment features. Still, for controlled spending, Inanol is very powerful. Now let's move to number 5, and this is where traditional banking starts to dominate. Ziraat Mobile. Ziraat Bank is one of the largest state-owned banks in Turkey, and its mobile app is widely used across the country. Ziraat Mobile is not just a wallet. It is a full banking system. You can transfer money, pay bills, invest, and manage savings accounts. Now here's the problem. Some users find traditional bank apps less flexible compared to fintech wallets. But the advantage is trust and full financial services. For example, John uses Ziraat Mobile to pay rent, manage salary deposits, and handle government-related payments. This is not a cashback-heavy wallet. It is a stability-focused financial tool. Now let's move to number 6. Aytsep from Geyi Bankası. Geyi Bankası is one of Turkey's most advanced private banks, and its mobile app is extremely powerful. Now here's where it gets interesting. Aytsep combines traditional banking with modern digital features. You can invest in funds, make instant transfers, and even use QR payments in stores. Let's say Jake is a professional working in Istanbul. He uses Aytsep for salary management and investment tracking. Everything is in one place. But here's the catch. While powerful, it is still a banking app, not a cashback-focused wallet. Now let's move to number 7. Garanti BIPVA Mobile. This is another top-tier banking app in Turkey. Garanti BIPVA is known for smooth digital experience and strong credit card integration. Now here's what makes it special. It is heavily integrated with credit card rewards and installment payments, which are extremely common in Turkey. For example, Alex buys electronics using Garanti BIPVA credit and splits payments into installments directly in the app. But here's where most people miss out. They do not connect their spending habits with reward structures inside banking apps. Garanti BIPVA is best for structured spending and credit-based rewards. Now let's move to number 8. Akbank Mobile. Akbank is one of Turkey's most innovative banks, and its digital ecosystem is very strong. Akbank Mobile integrates directly with Tosla, giving users both banking and wallet flexibility. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can move between savings, spending, and investment tools in one ecosystem. Jake uses Akbank to manage salary, while Tosla handles his daily spending rewards. This combination is very powerful if used correctly. Now number 9 is more traditional but still important. PTT Wallet and PT Bank. PTT is Turkey's national postal service, and it offers financial services in rural and urban areas. Now here's the key advantage. Accessibility. Even in small towns, PTT branches are available. So for people who do not use smartphones heavily, or prefer physical assistance, PTT remains important. But here's the limitation. It is not as feature-rich as fintech wallets. Finally, number 10 is for international users. Wise and Revolut. These are global digital wallets widely used in Turkey for currency exchange and international transfers. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are an expat, freelancer, or traveler, these wallets can save you significant money on FX fees. For example, Alex receives payments from Europe. Instead of using traditional bank transfers, he uses Wise to reduce conversion fees. But here's the catch. These are not fully local Turkish wallets. They work alongside Turkish systems rather than replacing them. Now let's quickly summarize everything so you can make the right choice. If you want cashback and modern fintech experience, go for Papara or Tasla. If you want full banking services, use Ziraat, Wisep, Garanti BBVA, or Akbank. If you want prepaid control, use Ininul. If you want accessibility, PTT is useful. And if you deal with international money, Wise or Revolut is essential. Here's the final insight most people miss. The best users in Turkey do not use just one wallet. They combine 2 or 3 depending on spending, saving, and international needs. Now you know exactly how the system works. If this helped you understand digital wallets in Turkey clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite wallet, and subscribe for more financial guides that simplify real-world money decisions.